Nadia, look at my medications.
My Home Medical Kit Part 2.
These are effervescent tablets.
Effervescent tablets. Effervescent tablets.
This is the fever reducer.
A fever reducer. A fever reducer.
This is antiseptic.
An antiseptic spray. An antiseptic spray.
This is a nasal spray.
A nasal spray. A nasal spray.
This is syrup.
A cough syrup. A cough syrup.
These are tissues.
Tissues. Tissues.
Blow your nose.